What the fuck, bro? TCS just announced all India NQT hiring. I just checked the Telegram messages and groups. They are just sending these links. What is going on? Because all India NQT hiring is going on. 26, 25, 24 batches eligible, just like Accenture. Accenture is also announced 21 to 25, which is ongoing. We all know. So like that, TCS NQT just announced 26 up to 24 batch, means 26, 25, 24. But there is no ninja role. The thing is, if you crack the online assessment, then there will be digital interview if you even give your not 100% in an assessment. So this is the big hiring, and this is unbelievable because hiring is not active. I know application is not active, but they announced the hiring. If you see Prime Digital, only role is there 26, 25, 24 batches eligible, and the CTC is very huge. If you see, like first of all, I want to tell you about UG and PG experienced candidate, 7 LPA for digital and 8 LPAs for PG digital. And if you see 9 LPA and up to 12 LPAs for experienced candidate UG PG. And if you are a fresher like 26, 25 batch, even 24, then you will get the digital package 730 up to 760 in UG 7 and in PG 760 or 40. And in UG prime role package is 9 to 930 and PG 11 to 1180 LPA. So actual compensation basis work experience and job location. Okay, your AI ready future starts here. Step in and shape what's next with the TCS. Registration started on 18th of February, means tomorrow is ongoing. Registration will be live on tomorrow 18th February, means after 12 AM you can check the apply button will be work, वो जो अभी भी कर रहा है, but you have to understand each and everything. End date on 20th of March. Test date is also released that 10th of March. Now what is going on? See, if you see that entry into high impact prime digital cadres, and these are the thing you have to keep in mind. This is in center test mode, we all know, because in previous also we see the in center mode of test. And one more thing, like you have to first register and apply. Registration, if you are applying first time, then you have to click on register and apply for drive. Click on IT category, because there is two categories. First is IT and another one is BPS for non-tech. But for IT you have to click on IT. And scenario B, like if you are a new user, click on register. Now again click on IT and apply for drive. But if you are using your previous ID, then you have to go to the register, click on IT category, then you have to give your reference ID. But in my opinion or in my suggestion, you have to apply with the new email ID from fresh or from scratch. The application form can be filled after the test results are declared. Now the thing is, important thing you have to understand that all original document to date is submitted at the time of the interview. This is the later thing, that after cracking the assessment, which is in test in center person assessment, after that you have to carry these documents for an interview, which is also maybe in person or face to face. Now the thing is that eligibility criteria we have to check first, that BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, MS and ME is also eligible by AICTE UCG college approved. 10th 12th diploma, and in graduation you must have 60% criteria. No pending backlog will be there, ठीक है. No extended education will be allowed, and it is mandatory to declare gap in education if any. Overall academic should not exceed 12 month, ठीक है. 2 साल के ऊपर की गैप नहीं होनी चाहिए. Online only full time course will be considered, not part time. Open schooling, like a candidate who have completed their secondary or senior secondary course from open schooling are also eligible to apply, ठीक है. Don't worry. Candidate with up to a 2 year of experience is compulsory, and means 0 to 2. Already I told you that candidate up to between ये age का तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Now feature and test pattern is also there, that TCS will be conducting ION centers, ठीक है. And this is foundation advanced. We all know if you crack the foundation, then you will get to see the digital package, and if you crack the advanced also, then you will see the prime package. So while all are encouraged to attempt the both section, advanced section is mandatory if you are aspire for a digital or prime. But for maybe only prime they will conduct this, because there is no ninja role. That's why, because यहाँ पे तो निंजा लिखा है, बट यहाँ पे ऊपर बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिखा है. तो मे बी ये पैटर्न चेंज हो और नया पैटर्न हमें देखने मिले. बट यहाँ पे फाउंडेशन और एडवांस सेक्शन यही होने वाला है, तो पैटर्न चेंज नहीं होगा, बट ये निंजा नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. देन FAQ, इफ यू वांट टू रीड, यू कैन इजीली रीड. देयर इज nothing big thing. but the thing is, this is the apply button. Click on apply. If you understand each and everything, then comment down. If you having any query, then you have to click on register now, and you can check that this is the BPS, take a business purpose process service, and this is IT. You have to click on IT, click on continue. You have to give your email ID. So kindly use personal email domain address for registering into the next step application. And instead of college or institute ID, college or institute ID, see, don't give your college institute ID, just give your personal email ID. So from tomorrow onwards, maybe at the morning, tomorrow morning, I will definitely upload the step-by-step registration. So do subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, and send with your friends that TCS announced the mega hiring 26, 25, 24 batch. And please subscribe my channel, because tomorrow morning I will upload the exact step-by-step verification, email verification up to apply to submit. ठीक है, हम पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन इसमें करेंगे और स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझेंगे कि क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी है. सो लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.